Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a business promo ad using Canva. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the letter C on our computer. Now we're going to change the color. We're going to change it to black. We're going to add some text. Now we're going to change the color and the font of this text. We're going to adjust the size. We're going to adjust the line spacing. Now we're going to save it as a transparent PNG. Okay, so once it is saved, we're going to re-upload it to Canva. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this. We're going to go to Elements. We're going to add our background. We're going to get this background. We're going to get this one. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to group both of them. We're going to adjust the size again. Now we're going to rotate. So we're going to add our image. We're going to go to Edit Image, Background Remover. We're going to bring this to this corner. We're going to bring this one down. We're going to go to Text. We're going to select this one. We're going to ungroup. Now we're going to get rid of the middle one. We're going to edit this text. We're going to adjust the size and the color. Now we're going to go to Animate. We're going to use the animation succession. We're going to select character. Now we're going to duplicate our page. We're going to bring this to the top. We're going to bring our image over. Now we're going to bring this up. Now we're going to add some text. We're going to change the font. We're going to go to Effects. We're going to add the effects lift. We're going to adjust the line spacing. Adjust the size. Now we're going to go to Animate. We're going to add the animation baseline. Want it to come from this corner, so we're going to select this one. We're going to adjust the speed. Now we're going to duplicate. Going to bring it to the next corner. We're going to go back to baseline. We're going to make it come the opposite direction. Now we're going to add a transition match and move. I want it to be at 1.4. Okay, so let's adjust the speed of this. So we're going to select the 3 dots, show timing. .7. Now we're going to hide timing. We're going to duplicate this page. We're going to get rid of this. Going to get rid of this one. Going to bring this down. We're going to bring her to the side, and we're going to adjust the sides. So now we're going to go to our uploads, and we're going to select the sticker that we made earlier. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to select animate. We're going to add the animation tumble. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. We're going to go on this slide. We're going to select this, show timing. I'm going to adjust the timing. Now we're going to hide timing. We're going to duplicate the page. We're going to adjust this. We're going to remove animation. Now we're going to add some text. We're going to change the font. Now we're going to adjust the line spacing. We're going to change the color of this text. Now we're going to add an animation. We're going to add the animation baseline. We're going to go back to elements. We're going to add our shadow. We're going to go to positions. We're going to bring it to the back. Now we're going to select animate. We're going to use the animation baseline. Once that is completed, we're going to duplicate the page. We're going to make her smaller. To make this smaller. Now we're going to bring this to the middle. we're going to add a next image, edit image, background remover, we're going to animate. We're going to use the animation baseline. So we want her to come in after all of these. So we're going to go to show timing. Okay, so we're going to go to hide timing. Now we're going to split our page. So we're going to go here. We're going to add the transition match and move. To add a transition match and move right here also. Okay, so now we're going to go to this page. Okay, so we're going to bring her to the bottom. So let's remove the animation. Let's bring her to the bottom. Now we're going to add some text. We're going to change the font and the color. Now we're going to adjust the line spacing. We're going to add the animation pulse or pop. So we're going to remove the animation from this one. So we're going to add the transition match and move. Now we're going to adjust the timing. Let's double check the video to ensure that everything is fine. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.